Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the tools. Open Endnote and confirm CWIO or Endnote capture is enabled so word integration works. Then, in Google Scholar settings, choose the Bibliography Manager option that shows Endnote links. This creates direct ENWA exports. Once done, run your Scholar search and identify citations to import. Make sure you have a dedicated import folder or library group in Endnote to keep items organized. This avoids duplicates and speeds later selection when writing. Next, import records. Click the Endnote link next to a Google Scholar result to download a ENWA file and open it with Endnote. When prompted, select the target group or create a new group to store this record. This keeps research focused. After import, inspect and correct metadata fields like title, authors, year, and DOI, because Scholar can misformat entries. Finally, attach the PDF when you have it. This links the full text to the reference for fast retrieval later. To finish, open Word and use Cite while you write. Click Insert Citation, search your Endnote library by author or keyword, then insert the selected citation. Endnote will add an in-text citation and update the bibliography automatically. Choose the required style and refresh the bibliography to ensure consistency. If citations duplicate, are missing fields, or fail to format, sync your Endnote library with the cloud, fix the record in Endnote, then reinsert or up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.